God. I am never gonna financially recover from this.
First, let's make a lead that will make your friend's mum want to do bad things with you, if you know what I mean. Let's add some effects to help it pop out more. EQ. And a compressor. Let's work on a counter melody, because every lead needs a best friend to talk shit with. Just like me and my friend who I used to fuck around with because he was short.
Ayaw man, umitigil.
Now we need some smooth chords that are capable of grabbing anyone's attention, regardless of what they are doing. Now that we're done with the instrumentation, let's work on a hard bass that is capable of getting you all the women your heart desires, if you know what I mean. We're almost done, but before we continue, let's make sure that we haven't been making absolute dog shit. So let's hear how everything we've done so far sounds like playing together. Oh yes baby, that is what I like. Now we've only got one more thing to do before wrapping this shit up, so that I can finally go clap some cheeks. So let's work on some hard-hitting drums that are stronger than most relationships these days.
Honest with me where you at. I just want to know.
Okay, so I unblocked the other guy, and then he told me that he wanted to come see me to talk about things, but then we ended up doing other things.
Take some deep breaths.